Alright, so basically, if we kick that ball over, we can pass it over here. Defense shifts a little, pass it back, pass it over. Begin like we normally would, right? Just kind of a little hesitation, cut hard, look for the pass. If the pass isn't there, make sure you hit your spot under the basket, right? Hit your spot, and then start coming out. So one would be trailing. He'll probably be like maybe here. When that ball gets pushed back over, so say this is happening, right? The ball gets pushed over here. One goes through. Two comes over. That person's going to come by here too, right? So he's one pass away. 5 comes out, sets a screen for 4. This will be a good read right here for this guy, right? For the 3. Reading what 5 does. So 4 is going to kind of cut around. If 5 comes over, that pass is wide open, right? Because he'll probably be over there by then. Make the pass here as he's cutting down through. Got to lay up. If 1 stays to help as 4 cuts down and they make that pass, 1 has to realize he's open, right? So if 1's defender comes for help side, you pass it down here for a layup, okay? Now, let's come back again. 1 went through, cut down, up. 5's over here cheating, right? Playing help side defense. He comes over here, so instead of cutting down, he's going to get the ball here. Okay, this is what Baraboo was doing, right? So we pass the ball here. He's got to clear out then. Bring 1 with him a little bit. 5 has screened 4. He's picked him, right? So 4 is probably going to try to come across the top, which is perfect. 5 comes down after 4 gets the ball. 5's defender has to come up and guard him, right? Comes down here. At this point, 2 again is our only safety back here. If 4 can make that pass, either 1 would have to come by or 3 is going to have to cut down. The bare minimum, I would have 3 come down here. Okay? At that point, 5's got that ball. If 1 comes to stop him, either 1 has to cut through or 3 would have to cut through. That's a lot of little passes right there. My guess is he's going to be inside of him. There's no defense here. He should be able to come in either for a left-handed layup or come to the right side for an easy right-handed layup. Should be a left-handed layup right here, though. Hopefully that helps out a little bit watching what we're kind of doing here. I think a few situations that we're going to run into, starting back up top. Okay. 4, and it may happen where 4 comes all the way over to here, seeing that this guy cuts through, passes the ball. He's going to cut through, take his defender, right? Come down, get your spot under the basket, pop out. 1's going to come out here. He might be help side yet a little bit, but he may even come up here. Okay? If he comes up here and 4 is way out here, 2 shifted over. If 1 can come down and around, 4 goes over to set the screen. 5 goes over to set the screen for 4. There's really nobody over here now, right? So look at the advantage we have, okay? We can still try. Now this is if 5 stays here. If 4 comes way over here, we got to do something, right? 1 might be here for help side. We could easily kick it back and kick it back. And it might even be 1 up here and 4 goes back down then instead of over. So instead of cutting across and over, if his guy's already over here, we can kick it back. 1, come down, back up right away, kick it back. And now we have 4 down here because 1's defender will be out here and he's all alone with his defense back here. He may recover a little bit. By the time you get there, you got 5 that can come back too. A lot of options with that offense. Almost everything we have, though, is cutting towards the basket. So let's keep that up.